Hello friends, today course about the M.Sc in Applied Statistics. This course is for the people who are interested after the graduation in data analytics, AI and machine learning and the research. Uh, you can go any research kind of subject like the insurance, financial, statistical research and many more. I will show you the many fields are just around it. So it is M.Sc Applied Statistics. So it's covered all the lab related to the machine learning, AI course, and all the basic theories involved behind this. So this course is very good for the people who want to interested in AI. And this course is follow the new education policy 2020. So it's cover the all the practical things. So majorly this course is for the R&D organization, academic institutes, college, university, agriculture, fields, college, university teachers, either the teaching the interested in teach the statistics. So you have the BSc degree with the statistic or mathematics to get enroll in this course. So it is career oriented course. So overall fees is the 30,800 around for the full program. That is the 2 years course. That is not for the foreign students. So as you can check the this statistician course is good for data analytics, data science, market research, bio statistician, so many more. So even though you can go the AI or stuff, because AI modeling is the initial that is the extended part of this course. Together you can get the some knowledge about the TensorFlow and PyTorch and many more the Python libraries. So like the Keras. So you will get the benefit in the market. So definitely it is a very cutting edge course in terms of the after the graduation you have not much choice to where to enter. So definitely I will suggest this course to all the people who want to get into the AI stuff, because the AI is now the future and the technology you have not the base clear, so definitely you will get a lot of problem to build the models as well as the uh, research about it. So even though you write the code to call the APIs and other things to different chatbots and chat APIs, so definitely you need to understand what exactly uh, it get the data from different sources, how it is optimizing the details, and how you model can stronger in the future phases. So in this course you will learn the R as well as the Python, and there is the lab is also available with this course, so definitely that will be helpful for you. So as you can see, that is the sample testing as well as the population testing, so that all covers in this course. So definitely it is a base. If base is strong, so definitely you will be stronger in the that field also, because without the base you are just a novice guide to understand the AI fully. So it's cover the ANOVA and other things related to the statistics that majorly using in the AI stuff and the machine learning. Like you can see the full theory as well as the practical course. The practical is quite high in credits, and the last project is also very high in the score. Like the this course is a clinical trial, so definitely you can go in the clinical field. That is also a very booming field nowadays. After the corona, it is quite invitable to the people who are interested in this field. Before that, that field is not that much of engaging for the students. They are majorly interested in other part, but that is also very engaging part nowadays. So people understand what is the health research is required, what kind of data is required. So this course help with the everything like the class, classical and Bayesian interface inference. So as you can see, it is explaining all the logic behind it as well as the probability. Everything is here. Like the linear algebra is the part of this multivariate calculus That is also part majorly used in the AI advanced models and research and methodology. So either you can check, they are explaining everything in details. The theory question, but if theory is clear, definitely the lab will be more clear to you. And I would suggest you have to do full concentration this code, or definitely you will get a chance to work in the any multinational companies. That would be not a problem for you, because overall that is about the knowledge. Within this course, you can create own projects also that you can showcase when required and when interview with the pupils. Like this course is explaining about all the Python and the related modules, and there is the lab is also available with it, like the categorical and survival analysis. So it is part of all these things. So you have to learn all this in one course. Just a 2 year course, and you will get the master degree in applied statistics with this course. So look at this course, that is introduction of machine learning, that is very commonly used in the e-commerce, insurance sector, where recommendation engine is using. So many more other fields also that have been using as a tool and the background and the backend processes to make the intelligent the system, like the stochastic processes. Overall, you can see that there is number of labs, coordinators, everything. I will show the other thing, but you must be BSc with the statistic or the mathematics. Then you can attend this course. Without that, you can't attend this course. So 2 years 30, that is the 30,800 course. So overall, there is the 12 labs available, like the 4 credits lab, 2 credit labs, 6 credit labs. So lab is very important in this part. So it is very important to understand. So it make very much to for the market and making you skillful to get the job. This course is available in the major cities all over the India. So you can join any regional center. Hope you like it and enjoy this course for your future sake. Definitely. Thank you.